Hello, I'm Jennifer Barrett, Client Services Manager with MT Business Technologies. Today I'm going to show you how to use the LAN fax option from your Ricoh device. And what the LAN fax option does, it allows you to fax from your computer versus walking up and faxing at the device itself. So in order to do that at your computer, you're simply going to pull up the document that you have that you would like to fax. Under the print option, from the drop-down, you're going to select LAN fax. After that is selected, you're going to click OK. The first screen that pops up is the address book. And what the address book is, it allows you to simply add addresses or quick dials to the system that you fax to frequently. To use the address book, you're going to select Edit Address Book, type in your information, contact name, company name, and fax number, and that information will simply appear on the first screen under the address book. If you don't wish to choose to fax from the address book, you may simply select Specify Destination, type in your fax number, and that will allow you to fax to that destination only. The other option that you have in this screen is you can fax to another destination if you have more than one person that you would like to fax to. At that situation, you're going to simply select Set as Destination and type in your second fax number, which will allow you to fax to more than one person. Under Send Options, you may also select Attach Cover Sheet and then Edit Cover Sheet, which allows you to attach a cover sheet to the fax as you're sending it. And you may simply select the information with a message at the bottom if needed. At this point, you're simply going to select Send or Send and Print. Send merely sends it to that destination. Send and Print sends it or faxes it to that destination, but also prints a hard copy at your Ricoh device. So this is the information on faxing from your computer. Thank you for watching, and if you should have any questions, please feel free to contact us or click on the link below.